Welcome to English Trivia Games. Today's topic is present simple. Don't forget to like the video and pause it if you need more time. She has a very nice car. Do they live in this city? He cleans his room every Saturday. I don't usually eat breakfast. The shop closes at 8 p.m. My friend speaks French very well. We play football in the park. Birds fly south in autumn. Does she like classical music? I always wake up early in the morning. My sisters don't like pasta. We study English every Tuesday. This soup smells delicious. I don't understand this word. She goes to the gym once a week. Are you my friend? Tom isn't young. Does he know how to speak Spanish? Amanda bakes delicious cakes. What do you eat for lunch? How many did you get right? Share your score in the comments below. If you passed this one, your next challenge is right here on the screen. Click it, and I'll see you there.